We keep the Q1 in here. Oh, little twitch there with that north stand wagon. Off you go. Well, hello and welcome back to Buckland Junction. Is Al? Yes, I'm in the loft for the moment. I've done a lot of work at that end of the layout, and sometimes it's good to kind of do something somewhere else and then come back. So I've put that on hold. I'm also working on this bridge section and this end of the layout, and where the signal box resides there, and the bridge needs finishing on. I'm also unhappy with the windmill in the middle of the town. Some people agree with me, it could be so. Other people think it shouldn't be there. So I've only gone and bought a kit, a low relief kit. I was going to scratch build something to go in there, and I'm going to scratch build something to go in there. But I've decided to go for a kit. I got taken to a model shop in Sittingbourne, which I should put the link to up there. A fantastic model shop, and I bought a low relief building, so I'm going to do it. It's a Metcalf kit, shop kit, so let's go and do that to replace the windmill. Well, the kit in question, here we have it. Metcalf kit. Terrace shop fronts, low relief in red brick. So let me just get it out the box and see what we get. Let's have a look, see what we've got. We've got some stiffening things. I like the look of this because I'm into my musical instruments, so I can see some guitars there. So that's the shop window fillers, roofs, walls. Ugh. Yeah, windows, and bits and bobs. Won't be needing that. Will be needing that. Some laser cut piece, I don't know what that's for, and some more bits and bobs. So oh, also not one instruction sheet but two. So I won't bore you putting this together. I will just do a batch of photographs of it going together bit by bit. Here we go. Oh, there we go. What can I say about this kit? One, I've cut away the front paving because this is going to stand on my own paving. And let's have a little look. It's not a bad kit really. What are my dislikes? I've had to add some, well, I think these are ridge tiles. I just added them because you can see the base underneath, so I've added the roof tiles. My window's a little bit wanky. It's not upright, is it? I did struggle with this kit. It's not an easy kit. I'm not a fan of kits, but I've had to add double roof tiles over here to hide the discrepancies up that were there. I've put roof tiles on. I've added a little bit of tile work there. I think that's still wet actually. Let me push that in. That's it. Overall it's a nice kit. Oh, let the camera focus. And in the model shop you can see some trains in that side, and you can see some planes in that side. My door's waffy too, look. The tolerances are too fine on this kit. It's kind of over engineered, and if anything as you put it together, if anything is a mill out, it doesn't want to fit together. You've got to start forcing it. I think the kit could have had more tolerance, make it easier. It's just a hard kit to build. If anybody wants the other half, I'm not going to do the other half. There's 2 more shops. If anybody wants it, first one to email me, all they got to do is send a A4 envelope and I'll ship it out to you. So quite a good kit. And now we're going to go upstairs and remove the windmill and put this in place. Yeah, what do you think? Not bad, not bad. It will do the job. Another problem with the kit is that the curtains that they give you, they're not in pairs. So I've had to have one mushroom, one green, one orange and one yellow. They should have been paired up so one building has the same coloured curtains. But no, it's not a case of that. There's a strip of curtains, all different colours, but there's only one of each. Funny that. Funny that. But there you go. Well, here we are back to the loft. So it's bye-bye windmill. I had to cut the back off it to make it stand closer to the wall. On hello shops. Here we come. Here we come. Oh, I think that's alright. I think I want an alleyway. Oh no, I can't because that's got the doorway tiling, so yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Let's have a good look. Are we on to good timing? Who's next? It's Q1, I think. Oh, the S15's just turned up. Q1. Now then. Where's the Black 5? Where are you, Black 5? Come on. Come on, Black 5. You can't be far away. Oh, there she is. Hang on. There she goes. Yeah, I'm quite happy with this. I'm sure I can blend it in. What's missing is the back scene. Got a bit of a back scene here, not stuck in, just placed there. There's another bit there, not stuck in, but just placed. I think with a church spire somewhere. Oh, I think my shops are better than the windmill. What do you think? Okay, I'll add some bit of a running session, and the next video is going to be the continuation of this end of the station throat, so looking forward to that. So all I can say is I'll out for now. Take care, good people. Like, subscribe and do all your doodles, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now. And she didn't stutter, how about that? And she was on camera. Excellent. Rolling.
Hello everyone and welcome to Buckland Junction. My name is Mark and I'm in the loft with Al, and I'm from Hemel Down just visiting.
Hello and welcome back to Buckland Junction with Alan in the loft, a special guest Mark aka Captain Static from Buckland Model Railway.
Here comes the fourth step, using the passing loop. The bi-directional passing loops can be used by both tracks.